Today, we're looking at 7 free AI tools that are so powerful, they'll make you cancel your paid software subscriptions. From ChatGPT replacing Grammarly, to Claude killing Jasper AI, to Leonardo AI making Midjourney optional, these tools cost $0 but deliver premium results. Whether you write, design, code, or edit video, there's something here that'll save you hundreds per year. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT. Yes, the free version. Most people know ChatGPT as a chatbot, but here's what they miss: it completely replaces Grammarly Premium. Grammarly charges you $144 a year for grammar correction, tone adjustment, and rewriting suggestions. ChatGPT does all of that for free, and arguably better. You can paste any text and say fix grammar, improve clarity, make it more professional, and it delivers. The difference? ChatGPT understands context and intent, not just grammar rules. It can rewrite entire paragraphs to match your brand voice. It can summarize, expand, or translate. Grammarly does sentence-level fixes. ChatGPT thinks about your whole document. The one thing Grammarly has over ChatGPT is real-time inline suggestions as you type. But if you're willing to paste your text into ChatGPT, you get a smarter editor for $0. Cancel that subscription. Number 2, Claude from Anthropic. If you've ever paid for Jasper AI at $49 a month, you need to hear this. Claude's free tier does what Jasper does, but with better writing quality. Jasper is essentially a wrapper around GPT models with pre-built templates for marketing copy, blog posts, and ad creatives. Claude gives you a more natural, nuanced writing assistant that can handle long-form content without losing the thread. Where Jasper templates can feel formulaic and repetitive, Claude adapts its tone to match what you need: formal, casual, persuasive, or technical. The context window on Claude is massive, meaning you can feed it an entire brand guideline document and it will remember every detail while writing your content. Jasper charges premium prices for features Claude gives you for free. The catch? Claude's free tier has usage limits. But for most small projects, you'll never hit them. Third is Perplexity AI. This is the research tool you didn't know you needed. If you're a student paying $15 a month for Chegg, or a professional paying for research subscriptions, stop. Perplexity searches the web in real time, reads the sources, and gives you a synthesized answer with citations you can click. It's like having a research assistant who never sleeps. Ask it anything: market data, scientific papers, historical events, and it pulls from multiple sources, cross-references them, and tells you what it found. Chegg gives you textbook solutions. Perplexity gives you answers to questions no textbook has covered yet. It also handles follow-up questions naturally, so you can dig deeper into any topic. The free tier includes unlimited basic searches and 5 pro searches per day, which use more powerful models. For most research needs, the free version is more than enough. Number 4, Canva's Magic Studio. Adobe Express costs $10 a month for templates, photo editing, and quick design tools. Canva's free tier now includes AI-powered features that match or exceed what Adobe offers. Magic Write generates text for your designs. Magic Eraser removes objects from photos. Magic Edit lets you replace elements with AI. Text-to-image creates custom graphics from descriptions. The template library on Canva's free plan is enormous: social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, resumes, and more. Adobe Express has good templates too, but Canva's AI features give you creative control that Adobe Express simply doesn't offer at the free level. You can generate an entire social media campaign in minutes: design, copy, and imagery, all from text prompts. For creators and small businesses, this is a no-brainer switch. Fifth is CapCut. Adobe Premiere Rush costs $10 a month for basic video editing on mobile and desktop. CapCut is completely free and honestly more capable. It has AI auto captions in 20+ languages, one-click background removal, auto-tracking for subjects, speed curves, and effects that would take hours to replicate in Premiere. The interface is intuitive enough for beginners but powerful enough for serious creators. CapCut's AI features are where it really shines. The auto caption tool alone saves hours of manual work. It can also generate stickers from video, apply body effects, and even enhance low-quality footage. Premiere Rush feels like a stripped-down version of Premiere Pro. CapCut feels like a purpose-built tool for the social media era. There's a pro version with premium effects, but the free tier covers 95% of what most creators need. Cancel Premiere Rush and pocket $120 a year. 6th, Leonardo AI. Midjourney charges $10 a month for AI image generation, and it's excellent. But Leonardo AI's free tier gives you 150 daily tokens, which is enough for roughly 30 to 50 images per day. The quality is impressive. Leonardo produces photorealistic results, artistic styles, and character-consistent generations that rival Midjourney version 6. The interface is browser-based, so no Discord setup required. You get fine-tuned models for different art styles, in painting to edit specific areas, and even a real-time canvas mode where you sketch and Leonardo completes it. Midjourney still has an edge in artistic aesthetics, but Leonardo is closing the gap fast. For thumbnails, social media graphics, or concept art, the free tier is more than sufficient. You're getting professional-grade AI image generation without spending a cent. And number 7, GitHub Copilot free. If you're a developer paying for AI coding assistance, GitHub Copilot now has a free tier that includes 2,000 code completions and 50 chat messages per month. That covers most casual and part-time developers. It integrates with VS Code, supports multiple languages, and learns from your coding patterns to suggest relevant completions. It can explain code, write tests, fix bugs, and even translate between programming languages. The free tier also includes access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4o for those 50 monthly chat interactions, which is remarkable. JetBrains AI Assistant charges $10 a month for similar features. If you're a student or hobbyist developer, the free Copilot tier handles your needs. For full-time developers, the free tier might not be enough, but it's a perfect starting point before committing to a paid plan. That's 7 free AI tools replacing over $200 a month in paid software. ChatGPT for writing, Claude for content, Perplexity for research, Canva for design, CapCut for video, Leonardo for images, and GitHub Copilot for code. The best part? You can start using all of them today without spending a single dollar. If this saved you money, hit subscribe. I cover free AI tools every single day. What paid software are you replacing first? Let me know in the comments.